Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering only what matters: core formulas, units, and constants like G equals 9, 81m/S2. Once done, decide scope so you don't overpack the note. Pick one lecture or chapter and match the note to your exam level. Next, pick a format: 1-page cheat sheet, 5 to 7 flashcards, or a 3-minute voice summary. Because format drives what you include and how condensed it must be. Make sure to timestamp or label sources for quick review later. You now condense material, group content by concept, kinematics, dynamics, energy, so retrieval becomes immediate. For each formula, include a one-line derivation and a single typical example. This shows how to apply it. Use units and symbols prominently so you avoid unit mistakes under pressure. Once grouped, add one small visual, free body diagram, or waveform, because visuals lock relationships faster than text. Make sure to use arrows and consistent notation. Consistency reduces You finish by ruthlessly trimming. Delete redundancy and keep only solvable examples that match your exam tasks. Then craft quick recall cues, mnemonics, color highlights, or 3-step checklists so you can scan rapidly during practice. Once finalized, test the note on one past problem and adjust. If things go wrong, include a one-line troubleshooting tip for common errors, for example. Sign errors in work/energy. Check direction conventions. This final check ensures the note is actionable and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.